Good news sa lahat na naghahanap ng house and lot sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. May available na bank foreclosed Diana inner lot at ready for occupancy na siya. No bidding needed. Ito ang details. Location, Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Floor area, 60 square meter. Lot area, 60 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Selling price, 2,775,000. 20% down payment, around 555,000. 80% bank financing, 2,220,000. Kung true bank loan for 20 years at 7.5% interest, monthly amortization is around 17,800 per month. Required income around 59,000 per month. No bidding, as is where is. Bank fees and transfer of title not yet included. Mode of payment, PDC, MC, cash, or bank financing. Ang maganda pa, nasa complete township ka na. May schools, church, transport hub at mall all inside Lancaster. Pero take note, limited units lang ang foreclosed dito kaya grab mo na habang available pa. Message us now for free house tour assistance. This is Jin Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!